Hi, everyone. It's Jane Levis.
And Lori Erdman.
And we're here to share the final details of our upcoming Lean In, Lean Back workshop, where you will create your leadership roadmap for your career and life.
Great. And you can find out more and sign up at leaninleanback.com. Now, in this video series so far, we've talked about vision, leadership skills, and integration, so you can have the energy to step into your vision. We're going to be covering those in more detail in the workshop, but today we want to talk about the final two pillars, conversation and time mastery.
Oh, great. And the fourth pillar is conversations. And I'm so excited about that. We spend so much time communicating. We use social media, we use email, we leave voicemails, we leave messages. And all of that is one-way communication. And what we're really talking about here is that two-way conversations, being in a conversation, listening and hearing what someone else is saying.
Ooh, I'm excited to get into that. That's some really juicy stuff that really opens up so many possibilities in your life when you can have powerful conversations. And so the other thing, because I know, again, that women get really, anxious when we're talking about doing more. And so one of the things that we often use as an excuse is, I don't have enough time. And so that's why the final pillar that we want to teach in the Lean In, Lean Back workshop is to teach you not how to manage time. We're not going to give you some paper planner like everybody else. We're going to actually teach you how to master time so you can truly get more done in less time, which leaves you more time to have the life that you truly desire. So I'm excited that we're going to be covering that as well.
Oh, that is so perfect. That is so exciting. So to recap, the 5 pillars that we're going to be working on are vision, leadership, integration, conversation, and the secret to time mastery.
Woohoo! Very excited. And with that, all of that, you get to have it all. So join us on October 25th in Reston, Virginia. Register today. Space is limited. Go to leaninleanback.com and we will see you there.
See you there.
Bye.